Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about stop loss hunting. Okay, this is a $1,000,000 question. What is meant by stop loss? When we'll put the stop loss? Then how to identify the stop loss? These are the lot of questions are there in the people's. So and our subscriber also repeatedly ask us, "Sir, what is meant by stop loss hunting?" And what is the concept of candle closing basis? This is a very important topic in stock market. So today we are going to discuss about these things. Okay, uh, let me move one by one. The first one is uh, candle closing basis. What is meant by candle closing? So you can take a trade at any time frame. It may be 5 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour or whatever it is. The stop loss, you cannot put the stop loss before your trade is closed, because stop loss hunting is the major role acting in stock market. So your stop loss should be candle closing basis. Okay, you can fix the price anything that based on your trade, but you should put the stop loss after candle closing. For example, let me see example about yesterday Nifty 5 minutes chart. Okay, in common group, I posted yesterday the Nifty will short only. It closed below 18,250. That is, this is the 18,250 below only uh, short in Nifty. Okay, once it closed 18,250, we expect up to 18,150 also possible in Nifty yesterday. But what was happened in live market, I will show you. It clearly comes up to 18,248, I think, low. Okay, 18,248 low, but the closed is 18,268. It not closed below 18,250. It is called as stop loss hunting. Once it's touched, again it will reverse the market. Okay, again market will reverse from this point of view. So this is called as a stop loss hunting. So this zone act as is the stop loss hunting zone. I will show you. So once it closed 18,250 below, we can consider the Nifty will start as start, that is sell side. So until it closed 18,250 below, it should be an buy trend. So that's why yesterday I clearly mentioned, once it's closed 18,250 below only you go for short, otherwise it may reverse from this point of view. As what I sent in group, common group, same thing will happen in yesterday. So once it's touched 18,248 and again it goes to 18,300 plus. This is called as stop loss hunting and candle closing basis. So candle closing basis is very important. So without candle closing, you should not put any stop loss in your trade. So some subscribers are asked, sir, once it closed 18,250 below, okay, this is a stop loss for buy range. We will exit from the buy. Once it closed 18,200, 18,180, what will happen, sir? Means it happens, but out of 10 trades, 1 or 2 trades happen based on some news or some other common things like cyclone forms, earthquake, or other war. It may be some extreme news. It will be happen, but every time it cannot happen. So you don't put your stop loss until the candle closing. Okay, I hope this video was useful. If you have any doubts or queries, you can post in the comment section. We will definitely answer your all the queries. Thank you.